Automobiles around the world move safely and efficiently. Thanks to Tsubaki, this is a common sight. Tsubaki timing chain drive systems are used in automobile engines. Tsubaki has developed not only a unique, quiet and durable chain, but an entire drive system. Tsubaki's timing chain drive system has been adopted by global automakers and contributes to better engine and environmental performance. Tsubaki has the top global market share and is the leader in quality and customer satisfaction. Tsubaki's Zero Tech series is a new product line that was developed in the pursuit of reducing weight and eliminating friction, elongation and noise. Tsubaki's power drive chain handles power transmission in four-wheel drive vehicles. This chain drive has helped realize a quiet, lightweight and low-cost four-wheel drive system. The facility responsible for producing these outstanding products is Tsubaki's main Saitama plant, which boasts the latest cutting-edge production equipment. Through full automation, Tsubaki has succeeded in achieving a delivery failure rate of almost zero. And the plant is equipped with a state-of-the-art evaluation system to ensure the highest quality of production. Every effort has been made to realize ultimate energy savings, a revolutionary production system, and safety. Tsubaki has been extending its manufacturing DNA to its global facilities in Japan, the United States, Mexico, Korea, China, Thailand, the United Kingdom, and the Czech Republic. Tsubaki has achieved locally optimized pricing and the same high-quality standards at all 7 of its production sites. Supporting the world's automakers in real time. This is the key to Tsubaki quality. What new technology will Tsubaki use next to meet the ever-changing needs of the future? Driving the world and the future. Tsubaki.